Oh no, Shane! What did you do?
We lost flyer, Papa.
Oh no!
No, he's not lost. If he can come back on his first flight, then he will not get lost anymore.
Papa.
Hmm?
So the baby cuckoo, it still look like him, and the white cuckoo is back.
The white cuckoo, the wedding line,
Yeah,
the one that Tito Boy is using. If
yeah,
there's an event,
yeah.
but there's only one.
Yeah, and where are the two one?
The other one, the second one,
Yeah.
maybe still not back home, eh?
I think he went somewhere.
Maybe he got
The
wet.
white other cuckoo with nothing on him, they are friends.
Oh yeah.
They look like the same and you don't know what they look like color. They're just white. Look at the baby.
Let him out.
Yeah,
Feed him on your hand again.
yeah. I know. Yes, I do.
Oh, where's your food? Oh, he's eating you the meat.
Oh my!
Wants to fly.
We never saw that he flied there. He jumped like and flied there by himself.
Oh yeah.
What is it? It's this only. Oops!
Careful, Jan.
Look like a chicken. I'm not touching. Wow! What? Shoot!
Can catch him.
You will catch him and then put him on my head. He just went behind my head. Like last time. Today. Just get him.
Put some food so he will eat on your palm.
Come. Come.
Then you can get him.
I put him on my hand. Like just. No, I move it.
That's your favorite pigeon? We show the white one muna.
Yeah.
Let him go play on his own.
Make him by my hand.
That's the one. Let me get him.
Get you. I found you. Get you. Papa, get the cuckoo.
So this is the wedding line.
Papa, get.
He just came back after
He was
2
not
weeks.
here.
Yeah!
Kasi
He not was here.
may event and
He not was here before.
a wedding event. He got what do you call that? He got released even there's a storm.
Yeah.
And then the other one's still not home.
Now where is it?
I don't know.
Get the baby cuckoo, Papa.
But at least Tito Bry has something to use na on his wedding event. We got the other one back.
Papa, you will get the baby cuckoo. Wait, Papa, you will get the baby cuckoo. You can get the baby cuckoo. Papa, you can get the baby cuckoo. Papa, you can get the baby. You can get the baby cuckoo. And put it on my hand. I can't.
Maybe we let them fly. I'll go out.
That's a race. All right, Mama push.
Oh no, the baby! You scare him also! You scared the baby.
Where's the baby?
You scare him also eh.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Where is he?
We haven't, ano eh, catch him pa eh.
But he fly
Yeah,
up on the sky.
yeah.
Wow! Fly up in the sky last time.
But he might got lost. Oh no! We find him. I think. I don't know. Don't know which one is the baby. Oh, there's one going back.
Oh, that's not.
That's not the baby. Oh no, Shane! What did you do?
What's up, Dale? I just saw something wrong.
There's only one blue bar. We need to find it. No, he's not lost. If he can come back on his first flight, then he will not get lost anymore. If he can get home on his first flight, then he will not get lost anymore. I think I saw him. He's with the parent. He's with the mama.
I think he's holding on his parents and he can't get lost.
He's just following. I think that's him. Or it's not.
I think the down one is him. That one. Or not that one.
That's the brownie. That's the Mariano eh.
Yeah. One is coming back. One is not coming back. Good, have to say. I think the cuckoo is short with a feet is black. All of them look black. If we have one is not. You saw him? You saw him?
Wala. Oh no, Shane. Where did he go?
I think he's holding on a plane.
I think I saw him na. Oh no, don't scare them na. Ay, there's he oh.
On the electric?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, which one?
The one below.
Oh,
You see the tree up there?
yeah. And we not even lost him. He just hold on and then he can't get lost and then he went on there like that. Then he can't get lost.
Oh.
And he can fall down.
We just wait for a little bit.
And then he can go back.
Yeah.
I'm sweating a lot.
One eternity later.
Oh, that's too many.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that. Oh,
I
it on the
don't get
cage.
anything on.
ayun bro, he's still there.
Oh, right here, but it gone. I went from I thought it was gone. Oh, those are,
The parents.
yeah, it looked like making an, like this. He looked like doing like that.
Let's go down, it's super hot eh.
No, I love
Kinakabahan siya sa YB natin. Hindi pa nakakauwi. You want to wait for the baby cuckoo? I think he will not get lost anymore because he's already familiar with the place eh. He can see naman the surroundings eh. But you want him to wait? Or you want to wait for him, I mean?
I want to. Hey, wait, that's the baby cuckoo.
Oh no, that's the papa.
Wait, let's see the baby cuckoo. Oh, well, he's opening his mouth. Wait, that's the baby cuckoo.
No, that's the lolo.
Wait, the baby cuckoo. It's still there. Ah, you scared them.
Yeah, that's okay. They're adult.
Scared me too. No. And you call him. He's hungry and thirsty.
What?
He's hungry and thirsty.
What's sassy?
Thirsty with water. He needs water.
Ah, thirsty.
Yeah, and he's hungry. I'm hungry. And he just wants. Oh, the white one is back.
Yeah.
He's by the way. Which one is the white one? See that one I saw? I saw that one. I saw that one doing like that. I'm not even your home.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's a baby cuckoo.
Yay!
Hooray!
You know how to get home na.
Oh, he's thirsty.
Thirsty.
Yeah. Well, I will get him with you, and you're there in the big cookie there you will catch.
Catch him. Give him food.
I will give him food. Like this. Like this.
You don't know how to use the trap because we've been always catching him. Ako na.
Open my video, you.
You know how to get home na by himself.
Papa, I think this is the end of the video.
Yeah, super hot na eh. And we need to go down and then I will clean their house or their loft.
So, today's goodbye to me.
What?
I will go out. I will go back to my home.
I'm going down na.
Yeah, because I'm watching Teen Titans.
Teen Titans.
Yeah. And why little folks don't like getting the cuckoo went down on Lolo chicken. He went inside already.
Yeah,
I saw him again.
they're trying to find something or somewhere to nest. So, thank you guys for watching
Get him. Goodbye to Goodbye.
sa content natin for today. Nakabalik na yung
We're going like a
white pigeon natin.
And there are our baby ducks.
Baba. Okay. Oh, it's 20 minutes video. I think I will cut na lang. I will edit it.
Cut!
Okay.
And you say cut the video and somebody make it that mean it's not make a video a tablet bottom. And then that thing it just he don't have any floats. It's supposed to be like orange. It's supposed to be orange, not look at it head look like that.
The grandpa. You say ano na ha? Subscribe to our don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification.
See you later.
See you later on the next video. Bye.